Hi, welcome to Tilted Kilt Bolingbrook. Thanks for coming to the car show. Enjoy the video.
Okay, and then I'm going to have you smile for this one.
Okay, we're giving away this car for free. You just have to enter your name into a raffle. Happy Halloween!
Look at that, look at that. Butterfly's gonna fly away. Hold on to her.
John Lennon.
So what do you all girls think of the Best of Show trophy? Hi, my name is Brad and this is my 2014 Scion FRS. And over here you can come take a look. We got the Spec D halo headlights from Auto LED Tech that change colors. You can come around to the side, we got the water-cooled industry 3-piece wheels. They are 11 inches wide in the front with 12.5 inches wide in the rear with 6-speed neochrome spikes. Then you got the Pandem V3 wide body kit. It's about 4 inches wider than the normal car, so everything sticks out farther. Also, you got the vertical doors Lambo, Lamborghini doors from verticaldoors.com. And on the inside, you got the Sparkle racing seats with the 4-piece harness, along with the hydro dip plastics to surround the shifter, dash, doors. Can't see because spider webs are everywhere. And then in the back you have Scar Audio, 2 12-inch subs from Scar Audio. We are going to be customizing it and putting 4 12s in there. That should be done this winter. Come around the back, so I got the V3 Pandem wide body kit with all the canards.
And where did you get all these ideas from?
Just YouTube videos, watching YouTube, Google, and seeing other people's cars. And you got the Battle Arrow Swan Neck wing. That's chassis mounted wing.
That's cool.
And inside you got the setup for the air ride. 2 compressors with a 5-gallon tank.
Where's the candy? Oh, the car's a candy.
Eye candy.
And then who did all this work?
I did everything myself in my garage at home. Saves me a buttload of money. It's got the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber wing. So it's all carbon fiber all the way back. Also, if you look at the license plates, if you go look at the license plates, how it says, if you really look at it, it says from Wisconsin, but then if you push up a button, and then now you're from California. So
I videotaped them
yeah.
roll the wheels. That's so cool. So what is the
So Scar Audio is all the audio I have inside. It's the Scar Audio amp with the Scar Audio subs. Sponsored by Scar Audio. I'm sponsored by McGuire, sponsored by 6-Speed, sponsored by XK Glow, which if you look in the wheel lights, I got the wheel lights. It's kind of bright right now, but there are underbody lights. There's lights everywhere, but fortunately right now it's still bright to see them all.
And what do you call these right here?
Those are canards. Like help for aerodynamics, keep the tires down.
Right.
Because this car is so fast.
Sure. Now I'm rolling again. And now the interior.
All right. Also, then on the inside you do have the NRG quick release your steering wheel. You can pop right off. Then you got all my Halloween stuff in there, hanging there. My little witch, whatever you want to call her.
I'm afraid to ask you how is the car to drive.
Oh, it drives great. I mean, it's on air ride suspension. It's on the P3 kit from Airlift Performance, with about 35, maybe to 55 PSI in each bag.
Okay.
It rides like you're riding on air.
Wow.
I do have for performance-wise, again, you can't really see much in there, but there is a colder intake. I do have headers and exhaust. I got the Tomy headers, all catalyst straight back. with a stage 2 tune running E85. You really kind of see too. There's train horns right here.
Right.
Got the train horns that have 200 psi with a 1/2-inch airline, and it's really loud.
Sure, I bet. And
But,
then how much does the car lower?
Right now, I mean, it's pretty much on the ground, and when I raise it up, it goes up about a good 6-7 inches or so. I mean, enough to drive it, but still got to pay attention.
Do you let anyone else drive it other than yourself?
No. Well, actually, I think maybe 2 people have driven it since I've got the car, but it's just so much to worry about and to pay attention to. Shockwave is out of Frankfort, Illinois. Okay. It's a customized car place. They do audio, Lambo doors. They pretty much do everything there, but I do everything myself. The C-Bond carbon fiber hood with the C-Bond carbon fiber trunk, and you got the carbon fiber wing. It's all carbon fiber.
And is this stuff expensive? Is it
pretty much? The checkbook is kind of took a big dent, but I think it's well worth it at the end of the day.
Sure,
so, as I said, I don't drink, I don't smoke, don't do drugs. My money goes here.
Now, what about? Have you been in the World of Wheels?
Yes, I've been in the World of Wheels in Illinois. In Chicago, Illinois. I was in Milwaukee World of Wheels. Not this year, but I think it was last year. I was in Uncle Dan's Thanksgiving Day Parade in Chicago. This car was in the parade. This car's probably been around pretty much everywhere. If you haven't seen it, then you don't get out much.
Right.
But
what is the horsepower at this?
right now it's NA, so it's not turboed yet, not to this winter. It's probably about 220, 230. But hoping after this winter I'll be up at like on 350, 370. So it's more of a show than a go, but
Sure.
I wouldn't mind to have a little more oomph on there.
Can we see how the car is? Raise it up?
Yeah. And that's with the front going up, and that's the rear going up.
Do that one more time, okay?
This is the rear end going down, and then the front end going down. So it does have the Tomy headers, all catless headers, and it comes out with the Spec D exhaust out the rear. It's a dual tip exhaust. Wait till this gentleman leaves here. I'll give you guys a little sound of it here.
What is that, 3 inch?
3.5 inch, yeah. I'll give you a little rev here, make how it sounds. If I can get in here. And then on my tune, I can switch it so I can shoot a good maybe 2-foot flames out of the rear.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
I already blew my exhaust open about 4 times already. So,
Just to kind of
yeah,
give them an idea.
without dropping it. All right, so on the phone here, we got apps that control my train horns as well as my light bars in the front and change colors. So I'll give you a little quick sound of the train horn. Go inside here. Plug your ears. So we gotta get some of those on this little police car here too.
Right.
But yeah, so we got 4 tube train horns that have 200 psi, 1/2 inch airlines. If you get in my way and going slow, you're gonna get out of my way pretty quick.
Yeah, exactly.
But
And then are you finally done?
it's never done. I said planning on getting a turbo this winter. I might possibly maybe get it wrapped. I don't know, I love my red, but if I can get a sponsor to sponsor me to wrap it, we'll get a good wrap on her.
You know who's going to change my brakes on my car now?
Yeah. There's many things I want to do to it. It's just time and money is the thing.
Sure.
So I just want to thank you guys for watching. This is at my 2014 Scion FRS. Also, there will be the Tilted Kilt models around my car throughout the video, so please keep an eye on them too. They're looking pretty damn good. Also, if you want, you can follow me on my YouTube channel on Fresh FRS. That's on YouTube. Unfortunately, right now my Instagram is not working so well, but it is Brad FRS on Instagram once I get that back up and running. So again, this is my 2014 Scion FRS, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So what do y'all girls think of the Best of Show trophy?
Well, we're the ones who picked it out, so.
It's
Yeah,
amazing.
we picked it out for you.
Thank you.
Unanimous.
Thank you. You guys all on mic. Can you put a mic on me? I felt that too. That was my hand. Someone's electrifying.
There you go.
What's her name? No, that one here. Yeah, you told her about it, right? That's a good picture.
What's up, baby? Happy Halloween.
Oh my gosh.
One more.
Brian, can you take a picture with my
I've never met a woman with a cape before.
Take a couple, will you?
There you go. Actually, you know what? If you
John Lennon.
is that perfect or what?
Hi, I'm Ava from Tilted Kilt Bolingbrook. Thanks for coming to our car show. Hope you enjoy the video.